Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. So let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues. The US 10-year Treasury yield remained broadly stable. Oil prices have again started to move higher. So far this month, apart from inflation and global central bank announcements, global and domestic markets will continue to keep track of Omicron variant spread. Checking out the domestic cues, FII continues to be a net seller in the Indian market. The Indian rupee recovered in the last week and ended 107 paise higher at 75.01 on December 24th against its December 17th closing of 76.08. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's look into the technical analysis. Until Nifty closes above 17,160 levels on hourly and daily basis means sell-off rally to be ruled out with positional support near 16,313. Until Bank Nifty closes above 35,477 levels on hourly and daily basis means sell-off rally to be ruled out, and it may be possible to retest 34,020 levels. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's look into the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,000 strike and for the put side is 16,500 strike. Overall 1,500 points band and the expiry is on 30 December. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has increased with the Nifty flat to positive close compared with the previous week, which shows mild put writing is seen. India VIX has settled in 16.14 and when compared with the previous week, it had ended flat low, which shows slightly decreasing in the volatility. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy KPIT Tech near 532, the target is 562 with a stop loss 502. Buy Hindustan Unilever above 2,320, the target is 2,405 with a stop loss 2,240. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Bank Nifty future below 34,620, the target is 34,425 with a stop loss 34,815. Based on the option strategy, long straddle buy Nifty 17,000 call option above 205 and 17,000 put option above 185. The expiry is on 6th January. The total buy premium is 390. The target is 490 with the stop loss 290. Now let's move on to the institutional activity. According to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 6,589.03 crores and according to the December month, the FII net sellers were minus 33,276.49 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers are 6,915.56 crores and according to the December month, the DII net buyers are 26,957.50 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more market updates, join the Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. Thank you by Sky Broking.